How to install Bumble app on iPhone. Done with Bumble for now. Let's install it from your phone in just a few seconds. Find the Bumble app on your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the icon until menu pops up. Tap remove app and select delete app. Then confirm by tapping delete again. And just like that, Bumble is gone. We have another method too. Go to settings, tap general, iPhone storage, scroll down and tap Bumble and tap delete app, then confirm. And that's it. You have successfully installed Bumble from your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.